Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to do another reaction again. That this is Vanny Babula, syempre. Vanny Babula, she is an Indonesian girl, and I know that you know that. Vanny Babula. So perfect. This is title was Love Story last 1 month ago. So we are very late, guys. So the original, the song is Andy Williams, covered by Vanny Babula. So what's we're gonna do? Let's go jump into the video, guys. Relate dun kasi the very first time na mapakinggan ko yung cover na yon and Andy Williams. So, sabi ko nga that Vanny Babula is the fan of old song, but I love the way she making cover kasi nga mas parang nafe-feel ko na mas better kaysa sa original, and talaga namang napakagaling ng kanyang pag-handle, tapos ang yung paano niya sirain. Basta magaling siya. Tapos, yun. Lahat ng nakikita ko sa kanyang cover is the way yung emotion niya talaga yung nafe-feel ko doon. And that's at the very end, guys. That song for me was perfect and nice, but hindi ako nakaka-relate kasi nga that is the very first time na mapakinggan ko. And thank you so much for watching this reaction video, guys, and looking forward for more reaction of Bunny Babiola, guys. Please check out Bunny Babiola if you want to know more and watch her, so you can also watch this for the original cover. So thank you so much, guys, and that's the very end. Bye bye.